Hello guys, it's time to talk. But for the start I will close this window. I don't know, nobody hears our communication. So, what I wanted to say, your body is your body. Your body is your choice. No one can tell you what should you wear, how should you do it. God can change you through you reading Bible, some Christian literature, and etc, 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 and some other way, and some influencers, and he will show you. He will show you his perfect image about you, his perfect purpose for you, and he will give you this feedback. One moment, I need orange juice right now. Yes, it is. And just here. I'm so excited to. It was good. Orange juice was my favorite juice before pregnancy. For right now, I don't know. For right now, I don't know nothing. I know nothing, and I know nobody, and I feel me like I am nobody sometimes. But it will be our little secret. And how are you calling? How are you? I feel me struggled a little, not just a little, but many tears, many times of discomfort, many messages of disrespect, many missed opportunities. I would say too much. And you know, yesterday I have heard one experience. It's like human experience in this life. Something like, oh, this gesture is prohibited here, verboten, I mean not allowed here in Germany. So yeah, I'm so sorry. But today I have had just a little flood in my blood. Just a little. And what I wanted to say, I forgot. I remember. So yes, it was about one actor, Schauspieler. It was about his story. He have had a contract with Brad Pitt. It's one Russian actor, and it was really hard for him to learn this monologue he has had. This monologue was only for one page, but it was so difficult for him to learn it. And Senkis, in this role, he needed to say, "I'm so sorry, no," and just disappear from it. And with the time, it was another person, and this another person has played. It was something like his friend, because, like, you know, it's always like many people know many people in their sphere of influence, their sphere of work, and something like this, and this work circle. And this, do listen to me. I was so excited to hear it yesterday. So, and this role for the film of Brad Pitt, and he has known it. I mean, it was like this. They were in a plane, these two Russian actors or something like, and he has known that his friend has played this role he was like half of the year in this I don't know, just filming for this film. And with the time he has known, no, he's starting to watch this movie. It's finally ready, finally edited, everything, and he's looking at it, he's watching it, and he sees there's no this role at all. They have cut it. What I wanted to say, to which point exactly I lead, that when God else something, he sees it, he sees a purpose. So your missed opportunity is not a missed opportunity. Like, God has something bigger for you. He has some better plan for you. And even it looks like crazy, because come on, guys, I have lost so many contracts because of my own, because I was too bored, or I have seen in this like no purpose. But for other people it could be like, oh, it's a dream of my life. But not for me, because I have seen, it's not about their story, but it's my story. I needed, or like I was forced to stop something because of the ability, no, because of the value of my mental health. Because for me, respect, I mean, having having connection in love and respect is so much valuable than any like higher positions or something like, or just and sometimes the things you lose, they are really also important. And I need to go right now, but I want to just say something more. What I wanted to say, I forgot. This pregnancy, it's so strange because I forgot more things that I used to do usual, and I can just look at the date and change it in my own, or to hear something and understand that I hear something another. Like my head works by a different way it was before. It's strange, and I forgot what I wanted to say. I forgot. I'm trying to remember, but I can't. I'm trying to catch it, but I can't. No, yeah, okay. So yes, I don't want to say bye. I want to say thank you. Yesterday I have heard, I really like some moments in Taylor Swift. And I have heard her interview. I think it was in some of awards in Gala, while she received some reward, and she said to her fans, to the people that follow her and interested in her creativity, don't know, that it is the longest relationship I have. And I'm so agree with it. Stimme zu. Okay, I love you,